Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get proof of payment on the Standard Bank app. First, open the Standard Bank app on your phone. Once the app opens, log in using your username, password, fingerprint, or any login method connected to your account. After logging in, you will see your accounts on the home screen. Select the account from which the payment was made. Make sure you choose the correct account so you can find the right transaction. Next, tap on Transactions. This will open your transaction history where you can see all recent payments and account activity. Scroll through the list and locate the payment you need proof for. Once you find the correct payment, tap on it to open the Transaction Details page. On the Details screen, look for the Proof of Payment option. In some versions of the app, you may need to tap the three dots or the More icon to find it. After selecting Proof of Payment, you will get different options. If you want to save the proof of payment on your phone, tap Download. If you want to send it immediately, tap Send. Then choose Email or SMS, enter the recipient's details, and tap Send to share the proof of payment instantly. That is how to get proof of payment on the Standard Bank app. Thanks for watching.